When the Huawei Mate Xs2 was released, a pain point about the folding screen was finally mentioned. It is generally too heavy. This is related to the folding design of the phone itself, and it is also related to the currently commonly used internal folding scheme. Because the phone is folded inside, it means that it has to carry additional screens in corresponding parts, which will definitely become heavier. The outer folding models such as Huawei Mate Xs2 will appear thinner and lighter. So how heavy are the mainstream folding screen phones this year? It can only be said that there is no harm without comparison, and some products are indeed too heavy. Therefore, I offer you a small list of folding phones, and let's go through each of them in more detail. Can a phone weigh 255 grams? If you only read this sentence, you may think it is also heavy, but it is currently the lightest folding phone. And the weight of 255 grams is actually a bit close to the weight of some flagship phones. For example, the Lenovo Savior Y90 mobile phone is 252 grams, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max is 238 grams. What's more, this phone also has a huge 7.8-inch screen. After folding, it is a 6.5-inch standard phone screen with a 19:9 aspect ratio, as well as a top-level configuration. The battery capacity is 4880 mAh, coupled with 66-watt fast charging. It will not bring about battery life anxiety. In the folding screen mobile phone, OPPO Find N is a little fat man. First of all, there is a secondary screen that can be used normally, which is worthy of praise. In addition, the overall figure is also relatively petite, which seems to have the advantages of both the large screen and a small figure. However, although its internal screen is only 7.1 inches, and the external screen is only 5.49 inches, the body is small, and the fast charge is only 33 watt. It should be sacrificed due to the size, but it does not mean that the weight is lighter, but heavier. The Honor Magic V is a pretty good folding phone. Not only is the hardware configuration good in all aspects, but especially in terms of interaction, Honor can also be more mature. This folding screen is also a very popular product now. The external screen is 6.45 inches, and the internal screen is 7.9 inches, which meets the needs of both mobile phones and tablets. The camera is a triple 50-megapixel main camera. In terms of weight, it is close to the upper limit of the folding phone, which is already 293 grams. To talk about the selling point of Vivo X Fold, it may not be so intuitive. It is a little bigger than Honor's folding phone, and the camera configuration is not as strong as Honor. This phone focuses on eliminating the split between the inner screen and the outer screen. It is equipped with an E5 material 120Hz Samsung screen with 2K resolution. It is also a hard-to-get product after its release. However, this phone is really too heavy, and it should be the heaviest folding phone this year. The above is this year's folding phone products. Some friends may question, but the other two folding phones are not this year's products, and they are not light. Even the narrow screen folding phone looks small. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold weighs 271 grams, and the Xiaomi Mix Fold is 317 grams. It also verified that Huawei Mate Xs2 is indeed the lightest, and the starting price of 99.99 yuan or $1,513 is acceptable. As Huawei's top flagship, this price is indeed not expensive. Do you think weight matters when choosing a smartphone? If yes, let's discuss it in the comments below. You can also subscribe to the channel and do not forget to like this video. Have a good day and see you soon.